own Stormin Normin's Lawn and Landscapes. We've been in business for about 12 years. We're located here in Columbia, Tennessee, and today we are doing some drainage on a golf course green. Here at Stormin Normin's, we do anything pretty much outside, hardscapes, landscapes, new installs, maintenance, anything underground or above ground. If it's outdoors, we can pretty much tackle it for you. Today we're using the MT for drainage on a new golf course green, basically taking it down all the way to the sub-layer, and we're using the MT and the Bobcat trencher to trench down for the drain lines. The biggest thing I like about the MT is it's very compact, but don't let it fool you, it's very heavy duty. It can dig down very deep with the trencher. It can lift pretty big loads, but we love it. It's been great. They've been really good to us. We look forward to future partnership with the dealership and just becoming part of the Bobcat family.